Hey everyone, Mr. Swank here with another Chem 1 lesson for you. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. It's time for the best part of the day, the joke. You know, the day he turned 65, my grandfather started walking 5 miles a day. He's 97 now. And we have no idea where he is. Because he walked 5 miles a day for that many years, like 32 years. He's gone. We don't know where he is. It's kind of a joke. Sorry. You know, they're not all winners, guys. They're not all winners. Anyway, our objective, review the different types of mole conversions. So still kind of reviewing this concept. So if you go back to Friday of last week, my assignment to you was I basically gave you problems and I asked you to tell me what conversion key would you use to solve them. Would it be 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles? Would it be 1 mole equals the molar mass, or would it be 1 mole equals 22.4 liters? And today, we're going to apply that concept, okay? So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to give you a problem, okay? And you're going to be using one of these conversion factors. Now, what you're going to be looking for in the problem is it's going to say moles somewhere. Either it's going to give you a number in moles or it's going to ask you for moles. But the other unit is what's important. Does it mention particles, grams, or liters? Because whichever one of those it identifies, that's going to be the key you use. And it's going to be one of these three then. You're only going to use one of these three, okay? So you're not always going to use this one. You're not always going to use this one. You're not always going to use this one. It all depends on what the problem asks for. So here's a problem for you. Determine the number of moles in 13.25 liters of helium gas at STP. Well, right there it says moles. We knew it was going to mention something about moles because all three of these say mole. It's the other unit. So what other unit does it mention? Liters. It mentions liters. So to do our boxes, to do our conversion, we need to use whichever one of these three mentions liters. And which one is it? It's this bottom one here. 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. So that is our conversion key, okay? Once we have that, that's everything we need to set up our boxes. What number goes in the top left? Our number from the problem, whichever one starts it. We black out the bottom left, okay? Remember, whatever unit's here in the top left, you want to match it in the bottom right. If we have liters here, we go to here. Which one's liters? 22.4. That goes right down there, okay? And then we do that because that crosses those off and mole can go here. All right, remember, we've been doing this for a while now, okay? We said equals, multiply across the top, 13.25 moles over, what's on the bottom? 22.4. Divide, 0.592 moles. There's your answer. Now again, it's the same conversions we've been doing. I'm not teaching you anything new. It's just now you're going to have to go back and figure out which conversion key are you going to need. Look at the problem. If it mentions particles, 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. If it mentions grams, 1 mole equals the molar mass, and you're going to have to get the molar mass. Liters, 1 mole equals 22.4 liters, okay? So make sure to try that assignment that's been posted. If you have any questions, comment on the Google Classroom post or send me an email. But for today, that's it, guys. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow.